Hi there, this is Kim Phoenix of BuyHealthPLR.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can take a Minisite template or a sales page template that you have purchased through a PLR pack and how you can upload that to your site. Okay, now I assume that you've already watched the first video. The first video covers how you can edit some of the words or the content, and if you want to add testimonials and stuff, if you want to add any of that to the template, you can do that using Composer. So if you haven't watched that, I encourage you to go and watch that video. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be uploading the edited HTML, index.html to the website, as well as the CSS and the images. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do first of all is, what I should mention, I guess, is that I'm going to install this on one of my websites called theonlinechick.com. And this is already an established website. So what I'm going to do is, let's just pretend that I was going to be selling this particular anxiety ebook on my website. An established website. So I'm going to show you how we would create a couple folders to do that so it could be accessed. Now you may decide that you want your home page. You may have to buy a whole new URL or domain name and set that up and make your home page the sales page. So what I'm going to be covering is if you already have a site and you want it to be off of that. Okay, so what we would do first of all is we're going to go into my file manager, and once we're in the file manager, I'm going to go under public HTML here, and we're going to find the online chick in there. Here it is. We're going to click on that. And first thing we're going to do is we are going to create a new folder. I should mention the Online Chick is made using WordPress. So we're going to create a new folder first of all. I'm going to call it Sales, like for sales pages. And then because I may want to have different products that are inside this folder, I'm also going to create another folder, and I'm going to call that one Anxiety, because this is the anxiety book. All right. So it is this folder that inside of which we want to upload the contents. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload. We're going to press upload here. And from here we're going to browse. And it brings me into my documents. I'm just going to head back here one thing. So here we are. We're in the Minisite template. And this is, if you remember, this is where I had stored it last night. This is my edited index.html. All right. And you'll want your file to be called index.html. If you have a different name, it's easy to change it back. You would just have to rename it once it's inside of your cPanel. But to make things easier, that's why I already have it as index.html here. So we're going to upload that first of all. And it's complete, and then what we're going to do is we're going to head back and we're going to upload the CSS. One thing I should mention is inside the sales/anxiety folder, I'm going to actually create a new folder, and we're going to call that, we'll call one CSS. All right. And I'm going to call the other one Images. And that is what we are going to, there we go. Okay. So in the CSS, we're going to go back here and we're going to upload each of the files specifically into here because we can't upload it as a folder. So, so let's upload here. We're going to go back into here and open this up, and we'll Open those and we'll bring both of those in. This is complete. All right, okay, so we have those in there. Now the next thing we need to do here is let's return back into the cPanel. Just give me a second here. So if we go into the CSS here, into this folder, we'll see that those two files that we just uploaded are in there. So now we need to upload the images into the images folder. All right, so unfortunately this takes a little bit more time as compared to if you were doing it by FTP where you could upload the whole folder. I happen to use the FTP, the Fire, it's called Fire FTP. It's an add-on of Mozilla Firefox. So what we're going to do now is we're going to find the images folder here, and you're going to have to upload each of the images separately. So we would open it, upload, complete. Go back, do the next image, and do all of the images that are in here. So for the sake of time, I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to upload all of the images, and then I'll be right back. So once all of the files, all of the image files have been uploaded, you can see them here, we're going to head back in here again. And all of these images, if we go up one level, you'll see that they should be inside your images folder, like this. Okay, so you want to make sure they're in there like that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to head on over and we're going to see the site live, okay? So you can see this is the onlinechick.com. This is my website, but I'm going to show you. You'll recall what we had done was we had created those extra folders. So if I go like this, /sales/anxiety, we will now pull up the sales page. So there it is. And if you had watched the first video, you would see we had edited a few things. We had edited the price right here. We had made this so it would click. Actually, we set it up so that it would click and head over to my Buy Health PLR website. So there you go, just to show you how that works. So there you go. Of course, that's not where it would be going for the Buy Health PLR. You would send it to wherever they're going to purchase it from, but it was just to give you an example of what that looked like. So there, that's one thing I should mention is when you upload it, and if you end up with like a little blank space where there should be an image, that is the problem, is that you have skipped or missed adding that image, uploading it into your computer, so into your server. So just go back and add that into your images, see which image you missed, and it'll be very easy to correct. Okay, so that is it. Take care, and I hope that helps. Bye now.